This tutorial will show you how to change page name on Facebook online social media platform completely for free.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
Alright, so the first step to change your Facebook page name is you want to go to the Facebook website, and then basically you should have a shortcut. If you do, then it's underneath, click your Facebook page name right here. But if you don't, go to the top right hand screen, click the drop down arrow, and then you should be able to access it right here as well. And then once your Facebook page has been loaded, there's a couple ways to do this, but in this case this is the easiest and best way. Go to the top left hand screen, and underneath boost Instagram post icon and above more tools, click this icon right here where it says settings. And then once settings has been opened up and loaded, you can go to the top left hand screen and click and search and type in whatever you want, or in the middle part hand screen, it's up to you. And then type in the following name, and basically you can change your name by clicking the first option which says name, which is above page recommendation. And now you have successfully made it, because if you click on the first option where it says name, or if you click to the very right, it will say view, and this will view your Facebook page name, your username. You can edit your name by clicking right here, or you can edit your username and change both by clicking edit. In this case, I've already changed it in the past 60 days, but you can input whatever you would want, click save, and there you have it completely for free.